everybody. Jane DeMarines here from Climate Diet, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about a webinar happening next week, next Thursday, April 23rd, at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And this webinar is called From Grain to Glory, How Bread Built Civilization. And it's a story of two sisters. And those two sisters are my daughters, and I'm so proud of them both. And with me today is one of my favorite daughters. They're all my favorites. Don't tell your sister you're my best favorite. No, just kidding. You're all my favorites. Erin DeMarines, and Erin is the president of her own company, the Good Mood Foods Company, and she can talk to you a little bit about her products, but she's going to be doing a cooking demo as part of our program. So let me turn it over to you, Erin. Erin, thanks so much for being a part of this webinar and sharing your knowledge. I should mention, Erin is a cooking show chef in Tampa, Florida, besides running her own company for the Bloomberg station there. And so proud of you for how accomplished you are in doing those cooking shows for Bloomberg. So
Bloom
welcome,
TV.
Erin.
Bloom
Bloom,
TV.
Bloom TV. Okay.
Yes. Hi.
Well,
So glad to be here. I'm excited for this webinar. It's in less than a week, so we hope that you will join us. It's going to be fun. I get to be with my sister and my mom. How amazing is that right there? I mean, let's just get real. A lot of vegans in our family, so it's going to be really fun. This is my product, the Good Mood Foods. But next Thursday, we will be doing a recipe out of my mom's cookbook, The Power of Your Plate. And I think I'm still kind of deciding what I want to do. I really want to do a fun recipe, something that is simple and easy that you can follow along with. So I think I'm going to do Pamela Anderson has a bootable. And who doesn't like a good bootable? You can just throw whatever you
yeah.
have in your house in it. You don't have to go to the grocery store. Or if you do go to the grocery store, you can use all those items in a bootable for other dishes too. So we're going to make it fun, simple, interactive, and I hope you will join us where we talk all things plant-based and be with most of my family.
Thank you, Erin, and thanks so much for all the good work you do in helping people to eat healthier. Erin is also called on by the medical profession is locally in Tampa to give healthy nutrition advice. I don't know if you want to mention that. Anything about that?
Yes, I am a health coach for a couple different medical practices in Tampa, and I meet with clients one-on-one, and I have my own clients and also personal trainer. So yeah, I'm very invested in people's health and wellness. It is my passion in life, and I hope that that shows through in my cooking demonstration and what we will be talking about with my sister and my mom. And we just want to make everybody healthier.
And Erin is the reason that I am plant-based and her dad is plant-based. She was concerned with our health. One of us had serious heart problem, and she said, I need you to read this book. And she gave us a China study. We read it and we became plant-based immediately. So Erin, thank you for that. Definitely saves you a lot of heartache, which was the truth with us.
Yes.
So we're going to wrap it up. Erin, do you have anything else you'd like to add? And thank you again for what you do and for being a part of this. So our webinar is next Thursday. It's called From Grain to Glory, How Bread Built Civilization. And my daughter Julia is going to be doing the part on bread, and she is a senior evolutionary research scientist with a company from Australia called Healthy, and it's a startup in the health industry. And this is something that she's researched, and it's very exciting. It shows the evolution of bread. I don't know, I think it goes back 10,000 years and how it brought us civilization. So next Thursday, tune in.
Woohoo!
Thanks so much. Go to our website, www.climatediet.org.
And it's at 2
Register
p.m., right? 2 p.m.
2
next Thursday.
p.m.
2 p.m.
2 p.m. Eastern
Awesome.
Daylight Time. So thanks, everybody, and we'll see you next Thursday.